Jamaicans, I think those are the only black people that don't like black people. They come to this country and treat us like we immigrants. They come out, yeah. Yankee boy, he lazy. He don't want work. I got 3 jobs, you can't get 1 job. If you let one go.
Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel. I want you to watch out this and see the way these people are disrespecting the Jamaicans. Watch till the end, then I'm going to come with a lot of comments later.
Maybe I can start my life, Winston. I'm regular black. When I first met one, we didn't even get along. Because he stuttered, he gonna get mad at me because I don't know what the hell he talking about. He gonna come up to me like, you know, I thought this was a singer. I started doing this shit right here. I'm like, when the album coming out? I want to support you. Then he threatened me.
I grew up around black people. You don't scare me. I grew up around Jamaicans, man. Jamaicans are hard people to grow up around. Any Jamaicans here tonight? They're like the most passive Jamaicans ever. They're like, Bobo lick shot. Hi, man, a brethren is a Jamaican. Look at this. Quietest Jamaicans in the world. Jamaicans are hard people to grow up around. You know why? Because when I was growing up around Jamaicans, you hang around Jamaican people long enough, you feel the need to want to be Jamaican. They just look so cool. Everything about them is cool. When I was a kid, I was like, I wanted to be Jamaican so bad. I started dressing like a Jamaican. I started wearing a little red, yellow, and green belt. And I started talking like a Jamaican. I started listening to reggae music. I started having kids I didn't know about. I did everything that I possibly could. But you know what the shitty thing is? A Jamaican will never act like you. You're never going to see a Jamaican guy that grew up with a bunch of Indian guys walking around going, hey baby, wappening. Not going to happen, you know? Felt bad for my dad because he tried fitting in with my Jamaican friends when I was growing up. You don't ever want a man from India trying to speak like a Jamaican at any point during his life. My friends would be in the living room, my dad walking, okay, come on, Marlon, move your bumbo clot and go home. My dad thought punani was a tropical fruit. It is, if you think about it. For the older white folks that look confused right now, punani is the Jamaican word for a woman's... You know what I'm saying? For her pum-pum. My dad thought it was a tropical fruit. One time when I was a kid, I was sick and I was messing around with my dad. He came here and goes, oh my God, son, you're sick. What can I get you? I go, Dad, I love punani. My dad went to the Jamaican store. Hey lady, where's your punani? My son is at home sick. He needs punani right now. Give me 2. Is it right? Let me squeeze it. No seeds.
Jamaican men have this weird talent where they're able to say the most sexually outrageous thing to you and make it sound like the most beautiful poem ever written by man. And I literally saw it happen the other day. This man walked up to this woman and said, me want dive in your vagina and swim around like Poseidon. Sometimes it can be so supportive as well. Jamaican men have their own way of supporting women. I used to be really insecure about my fupa. Everyone know what a fupa is? For those of you who don't know, it basically stands for like fat upper pussy area. It's here. It's here, yeah? And I used to go out of my way to try and hide it. Winston turned to me and said, good pum-pum deserves shelter. I said... Started walking into parties belly first like the Grinch. I said, yes, it's true.
And what we as Jamaican don't like, we don't like when somebody as Jamaican talk to we like the my Yankee. Yeah. Yeah, Jamaicans don't like that shit. Yeah, Jamaicans don't like that shit at all. And right now, my dad cringing. Yeah, the moment you start talking like this, it's like, why am I talk like that? No, I'm frightened. And that Jamaican saying, I'm frightened.
The women in Jamaica are aggressive. Not like the girls from Brixton. These ones are for real, bruv. Man, them, you ever shook in a woman's hand and you feel like the female? I was like, hi. She's like, me and my brethren, we was in Donovan's van. This woman bust into the van. Yo, where you from? My voice got high. I was like, Hackney? I don't sound like that. She goes, yo, Hackney boy, you want some of this pum pum? Ladies and gentlemen, I was so scared. I was like, no, I've got a man. Thank you. She was still on it. I had to keep walking like this.
We don't cooperate, baby. Why you think they ain't fuck with Air Jamaica? It's a lot of fuel on that plane, but they know. They get on Air Jamaica, they be like, hey, oh, shit. Call Osama, this is not the right flight. No, they have threats. This is not going to work. You can't get on Air Jamaica talking about, hello, we are taking the plane. All you hear is... Post wall, sit down! Talk about hijack your mother! They hit it with the pussy, you know me? Cause that's a word in Jamaica. Can't hijack no plane full of angry Jamaicans. If it's Jamaicans, I'm sorry, y'all the angriest group of black people on the fucking planet. They will lick shot for every fucking thing.
Good morning, class. Now, Mr. Up here is off sick, so you're going to have a new teacher today. Her name is Miss Kingston, and I want you all to be on your best behavior.
Yes, Mrs. Johnson.
Okay, shut your mouth, shut your mouth, shut your stinking beaks. My name is Miss Kingston. Can anybody spell Kingston? You.
K-A...
Wrong! Did your father teach how to spell? Or did he just teach how to fuck up woman's life? Sorry about my language. The correct spelling for Kingston is K as in mess with me, I go kill you. As in I don't need no good for nothing shit of a tarate, wife dumping, run off with a slut, ugly man. Put your bumbleclad hand down. Today, we're going to teach about life. Yes, you beautiful future Prime Minister.
My mummy said that we should love life.
And I say, life is like a birthday. Then a man comes along and just shits in your kid. Sorry about my language. Don't tell your parents I swear. But if you do, I will fuck you up.
May I have a plaster?
In Jamaica, we only use plasters for 3 things. 1, as sellotape. 2, as a silencer. And 3, as contraception.
Miss?
Shut your mouth before me thump you on your blood. It's now time for you to learn your nursery rhyme. All together now. Baba, black man, you caught them all off. Shut your mouth, shut your breath, shut your stinking beaks. Because you're short, that means you're close to the ground, which means you're close to my foot. So unless you want to feel my foot, come on me blood clot, Ross, and me say come on.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Any Jamaicans here? But I love y'all niggas, even though y'all talk backwards. You ever call a Jamaican house at night? Them niggas answer the phone, they go, hello, good night. You be just standing there like, I know this bitch ain't just hang up on me. My man Jamaican, I know they talk backwards. Man, this nigga went to the store to buy new shoes. I'm showing him the shoes. I said, Trevor, look, these shoes is brand new. He gonna look at his shoes and go, yeah, this is a new brand. You ever go to the Jamaican store? Is it me? Or it ain't never a nigga at the counter when you get there? You gotta hold the shit up you trying to buy and call him from the back. You be like, yo! Huh? How much? Huh? Hold on. How much is this? You be in a Jamaican store so long, you be like, you know what? I should walk the fuck out with this shit. Soon as you get that thought in your head, this nigga come from the back of the store, you know, this nigga right here. Bombaclad. What happened? You be like, what happened, nigga? I want to know how much is the 40? That 40 right there? Yeah, this one. How much is it, nigga? The big one? Yeah, the big one, nigga. How much is it? Stop playing. All right. Hold on a minute, man. I'm gonna find out for you. Hey, that's my time. Man, I say, what up?
Wow, these people are really messing with the Jamaicans, and for sure, you know very well that Jamaicans that don't tolerate nonsense. These people are coming out and they are talking about the misunderstanding between Jamaicans and the Black Americans. They are making jokes about that disconnection between these Black Americans and the Jamaicans, whereby you say they have a language barriers and a misunderstanding in the slang. You have seen the way they are talking. They're copy pasting the way these Jamaicans usually talk. You have seen the way they are talking. Like when these Jamaicans come to our country, they just talk like, yeah. What's it? Yeah. Like, what's up? Rastafari. So you can see they're making jokes about these Jamaicans, and you know Jamaicans for sure they are going to give them a comeback that they are not going to believe. Even that there's a point whereby they are also making a joke. They are saying that Jamaican women, they are really harsh. They are they handle you with a lot of disrespect. I don't know whether that is true, because for me, I know that Jamaican women, that is the way they are born, that is the way they carry out themselves. And one thing I know is that they respect each other. Also, they are talking about the live the daily live observations. They are saying that Jamaicans, they don't have these what we call phone manners, and they perceive stubbornness and backward communication styles of Jamaican friends. You're seeing the way they're saying that Jamaicans, even they don't know how to use the phones. Also, these Jamaican people, they don't know how to communicate using the phones, and also they perceive stubbornness. They're saying that they're making jokes that these Jamaican people are the kind of people who are very stubborn. You can see, and I'm telling these people that Jamaica, they are going to come with a comeback. It's better you stop right now, because we know that Jamaica is a very peaceful country, is a country that really has embraced unity, is a country that welcomes all people to their country to go and explore. I've never seen in a case whereby Jamaicans are disrespecting other people. The way these people are really disrespecting Jamaicans. So this is the kind that this comedian should stop criticizing or using the jokes as an escape while they are really disrespecting the Jamaicans. They should have what we call unity and respect. They should be talking good about these Jamaicans, because the respect is something that is very, very important. Um, you should not just make jokes of other people's without their consent. First, they must agree that yes, we agree that we are going to make jokes about our country, but let those jokes be over good. And you know very well that Jamaicans, they make a very a good music. You can also the way they are criticizing or making jokes about their music, the way they sing. But for sure, Jamaicans, they sing very well, and they are number one reggae makers, and even dancehall, and even a higher that the hip hop that these people from the West, and they are singing. It started in Jamaica. I don't know if that is true because I've not done my research that well. If you're coming from Jamaica, you can comment down below and tell me if these hip hop really started in Jamaica. Also, a lot of people do really love Jamaica. I've never seen any person who tries to make jokes about these Jamaican people, because these people do really love what we call peace, unit. And even if you go to their country, you'll never find them making jokes about other people's country. Even those comedians, even if it is a comedian industry, let us try to respect other people's culture. Let us not use these jokes as a form of defending ourselves, but at the same time, we are really criticizing others through these jokes. It is not really a nice thing for me, because I've never seen any comedian from Jamaica who has ever come on stage, then he or she tries to make jokes about other people's. That is something that has passed with the time, and the people should just wake up and know the kind of comedy they should make, because Jamaicans, if they're going to watch this, I know they are going to come back with a very a good comeback. They're going to make sure that this message reaches out to these people who are making these kind of jokes on their culture, and also copy pasting the way they are talking in that language of theirs. So thank you for watching. Until next time.